Hi, it's Mr. Anderson. We're going to be doing some fill in the blanks about the book At the Amusement Park. All right. So try it. When I take a pause and think of the answer, I want you to think what the answer might be. Okay. Let's read the first one together. Number one, blank ride will you choose? Let's look at our options. You, is, at, which, I. What best fits in the blank? Let's try which. Which ride will you choose? That's correct. Let's do number two. Look blank the roller coaster. See our choices. Look you, look is, look at, look I. Let's try look at. Look at the roller coaster. Blank want to ride it. That's number three. Let's look at our choices. You want to ride it? Is want to ride it? At want to ride it? Which want to ride it? I want to ride it? Let's try I. Yeah, there you go. I want to ride it. I. Number four. Will blank ride with me? Will you ride with me? Will is ride with me? Will at ride with me? Will which ride with me? Or will try ride with me? How about will you ride with me? Let's see if that works. There you go, that worked. Number five, this blank fun. This you, we already used that. This is fun? Oh, I think let's try that. Because that's a really fun sentence, right? When we like something, we say, this is fun. Let's see. Yeah, that worked. All right, let's do number six. Let's blank something new. Let's at something new, or let's try something new. Which one do you think? Yeah, let's try something new. Awesome. All right, that's it for that one. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later.